came from a world that learnt to heal itself. We cured disease. We restored oceans. We built cities that breathed. For the first time in human history, we chose to be better. I had everything: a home, a family.
Mommy, do you think people will ever reach other worlds?
One day, sweetheart. A future I thought would last forever. Then we found it. Something older than history. Older than us. They saved my body. Where are they? But the life I loved was already gone. The relic didn't just rebuild me. It showed me what we were always meant to become. Long before your kind walked your world, the architects made us both. They scattered the relics and waited to see if their children would choose to find each other. And if we don't?
The Voidweavers have seized the relic. Time is running out.
I didn't come here to fight a war. They told me I could have it all back. My daughter, my husband, my life. All I had to do was keep it for myself. The future is not built by fear. It is built by those brave enough to reach across the dark.